The way we teach and the way kids learn isn't working.
Our kids are really bombarded with instructions. And so when I think about what can be so valuable about what I saw of the Kid Museum is the self-directed curiosity, and there's not a right answer, you know? Part of it is the making of it.
What began as a small startup to support kids' learning has developed into a pioneering way to revolutionize education.
During the school week, they're not getting the chance to really use their hands, really get to build, and just let their imagination go. And when they go to Kids Museum, that's exactly what they do.
Kid Museum gives kids the freedom and the tools to create whatever they want to actually make change in the world.
It allows people to foster a career in engineering, building, or inventing at a young age.
I finally felt like I had a place to explore the side of me that likes to create, that likes to solve problems. And I felt a sense of acceptance and enjoyed being challenged to be a change maker.
Robert Taylor, who was the first African-American graduate of MIT, said, "There is no emancipation without STEM equality." We need all of the tools of the universe for everyone.
This equity-focused, deep and intentional engagement with students, their schools, their educators, and their families is key to developing the change makers of the future.